Welcome to Home Food Best Food. Today's recipe is Jowar Roti, Jwarichi Bhakri or Jolada Rotti. Jolada Rotti is Indian flatbread made out of jowar flour. I have learned this Bhakri recipe from my mother-in-law. Jolada Rotti is a part of a staple diet of Maharastra and North Karnataka. Jowar, being gluten-free, is very beneficial for people suffering with irritable bowel syndrome and diabetes. Today I am going to give you all the pro tips that are required to make perfect Jolada Rotti. The flour used to make the bhakri should be a fresh flour. Always sieve the flour before making the roti. Kneading the dough is a key step in making the roti. As jowar is gluten-free, kneading helps in binding and making the perfect roti. Let's see the ingredients. 2 cups of jowar flour, 1.5 cups of water, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oil, and some rice flour or jowar flour for rolling the rotis. Let's start the recipe. In a saucepan, add 1.5 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, add 1 teaspoon of oil and get the water to rapid boil. In a small glass, add 4 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of jowar flour and mix it well. Add jowar water mixture and cook it well. This helps in making the perfect roti. It gives binding to the flour. Boil it for a couple of minutes. Mix it well. Add 2 cups of jowar flour. Cook it on the medium flame. Next step is to transfer the cooked dough onto the surface. Knead the dough well with both your hands. There are 2 methods for rolling the dough. rolling using the rolling pin, or patting with the fingers. Today I am going to teach you both the methods. Take a lemon-sized dough into your hands, squeeze it with your fingers. This helps to bind the dough and helps in rolling the dough. Take some rice flour for rolling. Dust some flour on the rolling surface and roll using a rolling pin. Add generous amount of flour to roll the rotis. See how thin the rotis have been rolled. Pat with both the hands until you get the thin bhakri. Now the bhakris are ready to cook. Cook them on medium hot tawa. Apply some water on the surface of the bhakri. Cook until the water evaporates. You can see the water getting evaporated in this step. Now the water is completely evaporated. Flip the rotis. Gently press with a spatula. Now this bhakri is ready to eat. I have served it with brinjal curry and some onions. I hope you like the recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.